know I miss you, Mom. Since when I left the nest, I must confess I'm a mess. It's hard to give a address. I've been pressed against the wall, bulletproof vest to stop the bullets. I guess this is what I deserve, a life full of hardship after my discourage. I look up and I don't see a God. I look down into your eyes and see the most beautiful, Mom. It's like a bomb was dropped on us. We tried to remain calm, but when push comes to shove, it's hard to hang on. You were there for me the most. I tried so hard not to loathe, but Dad screwed us both. The nights I would scream in fear, you would always hold me near. I could feel you in my veins, the devil's here, and I guess he stayed. All these trials have made us, even though they've caged us, causing us to retaliate in anger. I'm a danger to my own well-being, a stranger in a life full of meaning. We had them nice things like a Cadillac and money stacked. Now it's black, but we don't need that stuff. In fact, all we need is family at our backs to help us when we fall down, to get back intact. Mom, all I ever wanted to do was rap. It's all I ever wanted. I'm gonna work at it till I got it. Everything that comes to my mind, I jot it, so I can make it one day. Nobody will stop it. Even though we've been destroyed, I'll always love you, cause you're my mom. For so long our house was Vietnam. For so long I was the man of the house, having the weight of the load. The state took away the baby before he was even a year old. Took my brother away. Now the nights are so cold, and you're so far away. I don't even get to see little Rai Rai grow. Now I love you, Mama, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, pretty Mama, I told you God would show us a way to light. I know I'm so far away and I don't know why. At night that's when I cry. It may seem a little crazy, pretty lady, but I promise that we will be alright. I'll always love you no matter what happens. All I ever wanted to do was be a champion, a hero in your eyes on stage rapping. It's hard mapping out what will happen in life. All I know is tonight I miss you, so I write this song for you. My wife will be a spitting image of you. I cry. It's been a few years since my best friend Rai Rai committed suicide. Wish it would have been a homicide, then it would have been easier to accept, but it dwelled inside. I wasn't there, but the ring of the blast plays over on my mind. The tears, sweat, and blood we shed. You always said I was so much more than what I saw in my head, and never let anyone get in the way of my dreams ahead. I want to thank you for being my mom and a replacement for a deadbeat dad. You helped me when I was sad. I loved seeing your smile when you were so glad. I know there is so much depression in your soul. You complain you're old, but you look as beautiful as if you were 19 years old. My goal was to see you happy. I know that's what you want to see through me. To see me at my wedding, smiling as I say I do to the woman of my dreams. To start a family and to be a father who will be their first kids like Jason never would be. I would be willing to give anything for you. I may not know a lot, but I love you. That's the truth. This song was overdue to show to you you're the perfect woman God could have created. Who would be luckier than me? Nobody. Never told you, but I lost a buddy. I couldn't talk about that memory without sobbing. Everyone left, so it's just us as a family working together to be what God planned us to be. I miss Jackson, but he's watching over me, and he loves his mommy more than anything. So keep your head up, keep moving. I know it's hard now, but it will get better soon. We will see each other again. Till then, I smile your way, knowing I'll have you till the end. My closest friend, us against the world. Smile, Mom, it's okay. We'll make it. We always do. Now I love you, Mama, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen up that upper lip, pretty Mama, I told you God would show us a way to light. I know I'm so far away and I don't know why. At night that's when I cry. It may seem a little crazy, pretty lady, but I promise that we will be alright. And if you ask me to, I will help clean up this mess. I know you deserve the best, so I'll say a prayer for you. I'd face hell for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And when it's all said and done and we're at the end, you'll still be my best friend. I thank God every day. I give thanks for this beautiful mom that he sent. I love you, Mom.